Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix your settings which is not opening or responding in your Windows or computer. So let's get started. Now the case is when you do a right click at the start icon and go for settings, there's no settings bringing up in your Windows or computer, or if you have access it. So let's say you have clicked it and you have opened your settings. The moment you've clicked their options here, the system apps, there's no apps bringing up our system. So in order to fix this problem, we'll be performing a basic steps. And the first step is we need to open our command prompt. So at the bottom search bar, type CMD. And here you need to go with run as administrator. Just click on yes when your user account control will ask you to say yes. Okay. So here we'll be inputting a command, which is sfc space forward slash scan now. Then click enter to proceed. So this now starting to system scan, and this process will take some time, maybe 7 to 10 minutes or less than that. Just have to leave this command prompt opened and wait for the verification to be completed. Okay. Don't turn off your computer. Okay. So let's say if you have done this command prompt, simply close this window and you need to restart your computer. Once you have restarted it, check if your settings is now responding. Okay. And let's see if it doesn't, then let's move on to the second step, which is at the bottom search bar. This time we'll be searching for PowerShell. Once the best match will appear, wait for the run as administrator option will appear here. Go with it once you've find it, and here your user control will ask you to say yes again. Just go with yes so that you would be able to open your Windows PowerShell. Here we'll be inputting a command. Don't worry because I'll be pasting this at the description box below. So this is the first command. So just have to copy this, okay, so that we can paste it in the PowerShell. Okay, then control V, then click enter. Okay, here just have to wait until the process will be done. And after it will be done, check if your settings is now performing or now opening in your Windows or computer. Okay, so if the operation completed for is completed, operation completed, then check again. Okay, check if your settings, okay, if now is now working, okay? Unless if it doesn't, then paste the second command, the PowerShell again here. Don't worry because all the command here will be pasted at the description box below. Control V again, then click enter and wait for the process to be done, okay? So just have to wait, okay, and check if your settings is now working. Okay, checked it. And let's see if it doesn't, then simply close this window. And we'll be moving on to the next step, which is you need to press Windows and R key together. And in this new window, type reg edit, then click on OK to continue. The moment you click on OK, your user account control will ask you to say yes. Just go with yes so that you will be redirected here. Here you need to follow this command, which is S key current user software Microsoft Windows current version Explorer. Don't worry because I'll be pasting this at the description box below, which is here, registry path. Okay, you can simply edit that here and then input that. Okay, so here once you are in the Explorer, okay, so here you need to do a right click and go with new and go with the word 32-bit value. And here you need to type no control panel. So input the correct name, which what I have just inputted here, and click on enter. So once the moment you've created it, do a right click here and go with modify and make sure that the value data is 0 and click on OK and simply close this window and you need to restart your computer. Okay? So once you have restarted your computer, check if your settings is now working. Unless if it doesn't, then let's bound to the last step, which is here at the bottom search bar. Let's type CMD to open our command prompt and go with run as administrator. Here we'll be creating a new user account here in our Windows. Okay. So this is the last step that I could recommend you. So let me just close this and type net username password / add. Okay. So here, Control C, Control V. Here you will be changing this name into the name that you wanted. Okay. So let's say you will be going with this. Okay. Let me just end this. Let's say will be Mark / add. Sorry, user Mark, then password. Let's go with password. For example, 12345 / space / add. Then click on enter. And here the command completed successfully. Paste this next command, which is net space local group space administrators, then username, then add. Control C, Control V. Here you need to replace the name into the name that you've created. Let's go with Mark / space / add. Then you click on enter and just have to restart your computer and use that user account that you have created and check if your settings will be fixed. Okay. So that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.